What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing some new muffs. DEM MUFFS 2.0. We got the two brothers M2 V.A.L.E for the 2003 Kawasaki Z1000. This is the carbon fiber editions, but we're going to go ahead and slap them on. It's time to retire DEM MUFFS 1.0. They're just so fucking loud, guys. It makes it hard and enjoyable to ride. But if you're looking for loud ass muffs, by all means, the Moto XG1, they're super fucking loud, but I'm just ready for that more toned down slightly, but still good sounding exhaust. I really like how Suburban Delinquents and Baker X Derrick sounded when I was in California, so I went ahead and picked up some of them two bros. So we're gonna put these on and see how they sound, guys. To the internet! Yeah! That must be too fucking loud. Oh, you like that? Here we go, guys. DEM MUFFS 2.0, the two bros. I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks pretty freaking sexy on there. Carbon fiber matches nicely with the accents on the bike, and it just looks real good. The valve system assembles pretty nicely, although I was a little disappointed that it said online that there would be no springs required to hold the exhaust onto the pipe, but unfortunately Z1000 version has springs for some reason, so if anybody can explain that, please let me know. One other thing I thought I should mention, guys, is it came with these spacers for the exhaust bracket and these different bolts, and the inner diameter of the hole is too small for these bolts to even go through. So I'm not sure what's up with that, two brothers, if these are just the wrong part set or what, but I mean, these don't even fit, so I can't use them, so I'm just using the stock bolt and nut right now without the spacer, and it looks like it's still good. The only might be a problem with the swing arm hitting the exhaust, and if that's the case, then I won't be able to use it until I get this sorted out. Well, guys, here we go, both sides on, and I think that looks damn fucking sexy. DEM MUFFS 2.0. Look at them babies. Shit. That looks damn good, though. Them two bros. Well, what do you say, guys? Fire them up. See how they sound? Let's do it. One last taste of DEM MUFFS, you guys, before we put on the new two brothers. Rest in peace. DEM MUFFS 2.0. I can tell you guys right now, that's just a lot meaner, like just stock growl. There's a lot of bass to it. I don't know how much the mic's gonna pick up, but let's give this shit a ram. Damn, that's still pretty loud, but it's just a lot nicer, deeper, bassier tone, and just like mind-splittingly fucking loud, like the Dan Moto's on. Well, guys, first time with DEM MUFFS 2.0, let's give her a rip! And for the first time ever, we got the fucking muff cam. Oh man, they sound freaking good. The two bros, it just has that nice fucking tone to it. Not just like mind-splittingly fucking numb. Like the Dan Moto, it just sounds like 10,000 fucking chainsaws on a wrecking ball smashing through a fucking glass house. It sounds nice. It's got a fucking nice and mean fucking tone, and it's awesome. I love it. This is something I can definitely take on longer rides and not have my fucking head feel like it's exploding. It's definitely manageable.
Those sound fucking good. Two bros for all my hoes. I can tell the bike runs a lot better too. Like it idles way smoother now that there's like actually some level of back pressure. And it just goes a lot better. Feels good. Nice power, nice sound. Definitely digging the two bros. Woo-hoo-hoo. And the carbon fiber, I think it fucking sets it off. It matches the rest of the shit on my bike nice. Trick or treat, motherfucker. The fucking orange and black. It's just a real nice. I like it. I like them a lot. Two bros, definitely worth it. After I went out to fucking California and heard Sub D's and the one that Derek just got, it just had a fucking nice tone to it, and it's not so loud. And really doing anything like a long ride on the Z with the Dan Motos was just, it was trying. It was so fucking loud. It's like over the top loud, so it just made it not really fun to ride far. So now that these sound good and not too loud, so I can actually go ride and fucking enjoy it and not fucking have my ears exploding or get a fucking headache after like 30 minutes of riding around. So definitely happy with the two bros, guys. If you guys think about picking them up, I'd say fucking do it. The fit and finish is great on them. I think you guys will really fucking like it. How do you guys like that fucking muff cam? I've never used two cameras on the bike at once, but since I have Kai's and she's not always riding, I can do multiple camera angles on the bike if you guys like that. That's always an option. I'm actually running that camera on the tail position with the battery eliminator from EN27.com, and I just got the battery in my trunk, so I can literally record my whole ride and not worry about the batteries conking out or anything on the rear cam or other cameras. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, I definitely like these muffs a lot. DEM MUFFS 2.0, what do you guys think? Leave some comments in the fucking chat below and let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.